Have you ever looked at an old DC motor and thought, this thing is completely useless? Don't throw it away just yet. Because today, I'm going to turn one tiny scrap motor into something that's incredibly useful. And before we get started, let me know where you're watching from. Drop your country in the comments. I love seeing DIY fans from all over the world. Now grab that old DC motor, because this simple trick might surprise you. Here's an old DC motor I pulled from a broken electronic device. First, take 2 pieces of insulated wire. Strip a small amount of insulation from each end. Now solder the first wire to one motor terminal. Next, solder the second wire to the other terminal. Take your time and make sure both solder joints are strong. A loose connection can cause problems later. Once that's done, gently tug on each wire to make sure they're securely attached. Our little motor is now ready for the next step. Now grab a plastic bottle and remove the cap. We'll only need the cap for this part. Take a glue stick and melt a generous amount of hot glue into the center of the inside of the cap using your soldering iron. Before the glue cools, place the DC motor upside down right in the middle. Hold it steady for a few seconds until the glue hardens. Make sure the motor is centered and firmly attached. Next, grab a piece of sandpaper. Using scissors, cut it into a small circle or square that fits nicely on top of the bottle cap. Now melt a little hot glue onto the back of the sandpaper. Carefully press it onto the outside top of the bottle cap we prepared earlier. Press it down firmly so it stays perfectly centered. Wait a few moments for everything to cool and harden completely. Now the assembly feels solid and ready for testing. It's finally time to see if this actually works. Grab a fully charged 4.2-volt lithium-ion battery. Connect the motor wires to the battery terminals. Instantly, the motor spins at high speed. Now let's put it to the test. Here's a damaged flathead screwdriver that's worn down and barely grips screws anymore. Touch the screwdriver tip gently against the spinning sandpaper. Move it around from different angles to reshape the tip evenly. After just a short time, you can already see the difference. The edges are cleaner, the tip is flatter, and it looks much sharper than before. Who would have thought a scrap DC motor could be this useful? Now let's test it. Here's a stubborn screw, and it fits perfectly. If you enjoyed this DIY project, hit the like button, subscribe for more genius scrap hacks, and I'll see you in the next video.